So today we're going to be looking at the Jayco Jay Flight 38 FDDS travel trailer. So we'll start at the front. You have an electric tongue jack, up and down, little red switch for the light, two 30-pound propane bottles, crossover regulator, pretty self-explanatory, drawing off that one right there. You have a Group 24 battery on the front here. The unit is prepped for solar, so you could plug a solar panel into it, keep the battery charged up. Breakaway cable when you're towing. Safety change. 7-way hookup. You have another light out front, also aid in hitching up. Now we'll walk around the side. You have stabilizer jacks, one on each corner of the trailer, and they're just as the name implies, just stable. Don't try lifting the trailer up with them. Slide out, they're in right now, so when you do park your trailer, make sure you have adequate room from trees and obstructions. Here's the exhaust for the furnace. Make sure nothing gets placed near that. Outside shower. There. Here's your city water connection where you'd put your white hose. This here is your black flush. You'd put your hose at your dump station, making sure the termination valve is open. So speaking of termination valves, here we go. You got your gray and your black. So gray is your sinks and showers. Black is your toilet. You pull your cap off, put your hose on at your dump station, or if you're plumbed right in. Okay. Another slide out here. Storage. You have a handle here for the stabilizer jacks. This one here is for the power jack up front. There's a spot on the top. If the battery failed, you could use it manually. Hot water tank, electric and propane. Here's your satellite cable input. Right here you have about 20 feet of cord to plug in, so if you're further away from the plug. Yeah, my electric. So here I've taken the liberty of opening this up so we could show you. You got the hot water tank, and there's a set of valves on here that you could isolate that when you're doing winterizing. This at the back of the trailer, there's a little compartment door here. You have to lower the tire to access that. Barbecue. There's a quick connector underneath and a lever. Put that on and you'll get your gas to flow. Turn that on, barbecue lighter, and there you go. Rear ladder. This has two entrances. Rear door, front door. Also electric awning. So consider this like a sunshade. If you have any kinds of high winds or anything, put the awning in. So we'll go in the back here. So here's the main switches. You have lights inside and outside. There's your awning. You have your water pump. You have your water heater on gas. You have your water heater on electric. You have your awning right here. Like I say, you could put that all the way out. But if you have high winds, make sure you put it back in. Slide out, so you have a slide out button here for the main slide out. Always a good idea to maybe have somebody on the outside making sure you don't run it into anything. Obstructions, trees. And there you go. As soon as you hear that, let off. You have TV, stereo in the living room here. Windows, sliders, pull down shades. You have a couch here, goes to a bed. It just unfolds and down. There you go. Now, dinette, also go to a bed. Lots of lights, light switches here on the side end wall. Sink, hot and cold. There's toilet chemical to get you started and a 30 amp to 15 amp plug in case it's needed. Stove. Turn your burner on and turn the striker. Same thing with the oven. Up here you have a light and a fan. Microwave, same as the one you're used to at home. Fridge, same too. Below the stove we have the breakers and the fuses. So if in the event something's not working, especially if on the 110 side, take the breaker all the way back and then forward. The 12 volt side will light up if you've blown a fuse. The furnace has like a little touch mode button. So there's the fan, there's your air conditioning on auto, there's your furnace on auto, and hit once more and it's off. Shower. Remember to keep the clip on there when traveling. Toilet, push part way down, put some water into the bowl, then all the way down to flush. Have a GFI resettable breaker in the bathroom. Now master bedroom. There's a switch right beside the door to put the slide out. Again, having somebody outside is a good idea, just to make sure you don't run it into anything. And there you go. The screen is on the bed here for storage till it gets to where you're going, and you can install that. That's pretty much it. All right, enjoy your new trailer.